me here from 7 Different Lives. It's Tuesday, and you're watching me! This week our challenge is to tell the audience where we think we're going to be in 15 years, and after that, we're going to chug soda. I'll probably he graduated from PCC, represent Pensacola Christian College, and let's see, I'll be graduating with a major in elementary education and a minor in music, unless I change my minor, because my mom's like, so what do you want me to sign you up for in your minor? And I didn't know, so she signed me up for music, and I'm not really sure if I'm going to want to do that. But, yeah, woo! Basically in the next, let's say, Lord willing, in the next 6 years I'll be graduating from college. Because this is my senior year, and I'm giving myself enough leniency in case I fail a year in between then, but probably in the next 5 years I'll be graduating this same time. Modest is hottest. Woo! I'll probably do my DTS, which is Discipleship Training School, and it's just like schooling for Christian people, which I'm a Christian. What? Represent. Homies. Alright. And then I'll probably be married by then. Like, I don't know. I'll probably meet some guy that actually finds this thing attractive. Don't know when that's gonna happen. Woo! Anyway, yeah. I'd kind of be surprised if someone would be attracted to this. But, you never know. Someone might be blind and fall in love with me. Anyway, moving on. By then, I'll probably have kids because I absolutely love kids. I wish I could have another kid. Wait. Come here. Thing. This is my puppy. Say hello. I love you. Yep, see you later. Didn't want to see you anyway. Anyway, I don't know what the point of that was. Oh, that was my kid. The closest thing to a kid that I have. Don't know. Alright. So, that's my 15-year story. I'll probably, like a lot of things that people think that they're going to do now, they don't end up doing later. And I might die before I turn 21. Like, you don't even know. Alright. Moving on. In the challenge of the week, I'm going to be drinking this. It is seltzer water, and I'm going to try to drink it in less than 60 seconds. Oh, shout out to Joe. I'm a bit BA because I'm going to do this. Alright, some other people might be drinking soda. I don't really know since I'm Tuesday. I know Angel drinks soda. But, good luck to the rest of you. Here I go. I'm kind of really scared, to be quite honest, because last time I did this, it was very painful. But this is a lot less. Product placement, taking out the little whatever label so I don't get sued. Oh, I could take it off. Alright. Part of the challenge is to take off the label with your eyes closed. Yes, I did it. Oh, don't you just love... Oh, I hear people talking to me like the Rice Krispie commercial. Woo! Alrighty. Okay, ready? Go. I still have like 45 seconds. I don't know if I can do this. Okay, literally, this is the dumbest thing I've ever done. It was my idea. It's not like it's difficult. But this must be frowned upon in some states. It kind of hurts. Whenever I go to my friend Angel's house, we burp like truckers. Shout out to Angel. Woo-hoo. She's Mondays. Woo! So I don't think I did it. Yeah, like I didn't do it. But like, it's okay because I feel like I'm gonna throw up because my stomach's all like really bad. It's alright, friends. Thanks for watching. Vampire. Oh! Wow! Have a great week, guys. Continue watching the rest of the 7 different livers, and they're awesome. And subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. Woo-hoo.